The ZZM fence post repair kit uses thick, heavy-duty steel with a protective powder coating so it resists rust and bending even after long exposure outdoors. Its deep ground spike design reaches well over 1 foot into the soil, giving wobbly or leaning wooden posts noticeably stronger support in high winds. The H-shaped bracket with folded edges and triangular anchor tips grips the ground and the post more securely than simple straight stakes, which helps stabilize decayed or tilted fences. Installation is straightforward because you drive the spike into the ground and fasten it with screws, avoiding the hassle of digging new holes or tearing out existing fence sections. This kit works for far more than fence lines and can also reinforce mailboxes, railings, trellises, deck posts, and other wooden structures that need extra stability. The manufacturer backs the kit with responsive support and a long-term warranty commitment, which adds peace of mind when using it for critical fence repairs.